Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we're going to do a quick video walk around tour of the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This particular model comes in a black exterior with a black interior. GLC 300 is definitely a great mid-size SUV, not too small, not too big. Doesn't have the third row seating like you'll find in like the GLS models, but definitely a really nice vehicle, and probably one of our biggest sellers here at Feldmann Imports, honestly. We do have this nice accent wood grain trim throughout the vehicle. We've got power memory heated seats, nice black leather interior, got a heated steering wheel here. And hopping inside, mileage just over 14,000. Now we have a push button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display, currently showing radio and backup camera. Of course, it's a touchscreen. You can control it just like that. You can also control it with your steering wheel controls here. And you've got another touchpad here as well. And here we have our climate controls. You can, of course, use it the physical method here, or you've also got climate menu here on the touchscreen. Below that, you'll see some quick access buttons here for connecting a cell phone, accessing radio quickly, or your vehicle settings. And down here next to that touchpad, we have our dynamic select switch. This is how you can affect how the vehicle performs out there on the road, switching between Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort, Eco, and whatnot. Okay, definitely plenty more we could show you, but we're going to keep this video fairly short. If you're curious about learning more about the GLC 300, though, we'd love to work with you. Just reach out to us on our website. Happy to answer any questions you may have, or even set up a test drive. So we've got our rear seats here. Do a quick peek back up front. Alright, coming around to the back, we've got our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, lots of trunk space, and you can always flip the switch to lower those rear seats if you need a little extra storage room. And then push button to close. So once again, this is just a quick video walk around tour of the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.